I started making my hair elixir about 3 months ago when my daughter's head came down with lice, dandruffs, and some fungi infections. This happened after I played with sands in the garden. I use coconut oil as the base of my oil. Coconut oil is the hero of damaged hairs. I also got neem leaves. Neem leaves helps blood circulation in the scalp. It is also rich in antioxidants and helps to minimize gray hairs. It reduces dandruffs and treats head lice. I got it particularly because of the head lice. Another beautiful herb that I use is moringa. We did not have moringa leaves, so we got in touch with another gardener who sold us moringa leaves. Moringa is a superfood ingredient. It works wonders for both the hair and the skin. You know that of the 8 vitamins that we humans need to function well, moringa has 6 of it. Moringa helps to build hair strength and also help to protect the hair from heat damage. When we talk about shiny hairs and thick strands, aloe vera is your go-to herb. Because aloe vera is very rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, it helps to regenerate your scalp and promotes cell turnover. A very wonderful plant that I am happy and grateful to have discovered is the snake tomato plant. The snake tomato plant has a lot of benefits, especially as tea in the night whenever you feel bloated. You will wake up feeling lighter with no issues at all. The snake tomato leaves also helps to regulate scalp disorders like dandruffs and alopecia. I have been dedicated to using it for my edges, and I have seen huge results after I lost my edges to braid and Ghana weavings. Rose petals are magical. They leave your hair feeling super soft, and they help to regulate excess oil in the scalp. And lastly, I added miracle leaf. Miracle leaf helps to cure so many inflammations. So what do I have to lose? Here we go. I then proceeded to dry all of the herbs. I dried everything because I do not want moisture in my mixture. If you have moisture in it or water, it is guaranteed to go bad in no time. And I intend to keep these things for more than 6 months or 1 year. I then blended everything together in coconut oil. Then I transferred into a pan to be cooked for 10 minutes on low heat. When it was done, I strained it to separate all of the chaff. Now I have my special oil. I also packaged herbs for some of my friends who tried the last one that I made. They loved it so much and they requested for another one. So now they can make their own at the comfort of their home.